as the engine, really. What a sweet little 3-cylinder that is. Everything you need. Don't touch that, that's hot. Put stuff in there, do stuff there. Oh, hello. Welcome to Driven It Storytime. I'll just shut the bonnet of this thing. Tiny little engine. Baked beans. When you empty the tin, why is it that there's usually 4 beans that hang onto the side, like they're SAS servicemen? Just won't come out, and you have to get a spoon and get them out. I don't know. Why do they do that? Anyway, I'm out and about again with Kia. They have kindly sponsored our overnight stay before the SMMT test day tomorrow. And yes, they're putting us, the Southern Group of Motoring Writers, up for the night, which is very nice, and giving us a little preview, a little play with their range. Anyway, that's enough of my ramblings. You come for a story. And today's story brings us in to small little cars, and I'll tell you why in a bit. Now, I could say, picture the scene, France, 1988, but then again, I could also say, picture the scene, Croydon, England, 1992. I'm learning to drive, and the first car I ever drove was Citroën AX Splash 10E. So I give you Citroen's Summer White Editions from 1988. Oh, brings back so many memories. Some of them for the wrong reason. Citroën AX Splash. You'll be making a surefire splash yourself when you turn up in this brilliant white version of the ever-popular Citroën AX 10E, complete with splash body graphics. You won't lose 1 mile of its strikingly economical 72.4 miles to gallon at a constant 56. But just look at what you gain all round from this special edition 3-door Super Mini. Look around. White bumpers, white wheel embellishers provide a stylish colour-coordinated exterior, whilst the grey jersey seating with red and blue striping add that welcome touch of summer. You can open up the elements too, with the sunroof, just one of the standard fittings in your new AX Splash, which include a superb sharp stereo radio cassette system, cigar lighter and front head restraints. Couple these with locking fuel cap and mud flaps to keep the gleaming white paintwork clean, and you're looking at the Citroën AX 10E 3-door 5-seater Special Edition Splash, available now, but not for long. Oh, do you know what? If that AX 10E could talk. However, this brochure doesn't just go on about the AX 10E Splash. We've got something else, the Citroën AX GT Sportif. I've often wondered though, is it Sportif or Sportif? If what? I shall begin. If ever a Super Mini captured so much attention for its performing power, it would have to be the Citroën AX GT. 0 to 60 miles per hour, just 8.8 seconds. Bloody hell, that was pretty quick. That was pretty quick, you know. Top speed, 112 miles per hour. Yet it still delivers 57.6 miles to gallon at a constant 56. Sheer power, sheer economy. And now, with the special edition AX GT Sportif, its discerning driver can enjoy something distinctively different too. I don't ever remember seeing any Sportifs on the road. But my bloody word, I forgot about that 0 to 60 of 8.8 seconds. That was well above standard. I mean, that was pretty much, that was barking at the heels of a Golf GTI. And then some. Anyway, digress. Brilliant white finish, right down to the wraparound bumpers and side mouldings, make this special edition stand out on the open road and in the heaviest traffic. White wheel embellishers, protective mud flaps and eye-catching Sportif graphics complete the exterior finish. Open wide sunroof too. And Philips stereo radio cassette audio system fitted as standard. Oh, you get a Philips one, it's the other one. You only got a cheapy Sharp that you get from Argos. I wish I learned to drive in a Sportif now. Oh well. Superb road holding, terrific performance, impressive economy. That's the AX GT. Now, with the special edition Sportif. It's even more eye-catching. But hang fire, because there is more. I said there was more. I'm standing up for this because it's quite exciting. Citroen BX Preview, or how they've written it, Preview. Preview is where fashion meets practicality. The chic, good looks of the stylish BX are highlighted in this special edition of the roomy 5-door hatchback. It's fast, 104 miles per hour. It's economical, over 50 miles per gallon at 56 miles per hour. It's comfortable, the way only Citroën know how, and very exclusive, strictly a limited edition while stocks last. Discounts finish Friday. Cool and fresh in gleaming white, the Preview features matching bumpers and wheel trims, complemented by tasteful, discreet graphics. Oh yeah, they are so discreet you can barely see them. On the inside, the luxurious velour upholstery, normally reserved for the top-line GTI model, will cosset you, while you listen to the sound of the superb Sharp stereo radio cassette audio system. Oh, it's that shitty Sharps again from Argos. Naturally, rubber mats and mud flaps are included to keep your Preview looking neat. Ting! Add the BX's reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs, and we think you'll agree the stunning BX Preview is a very special edition. Yeah. They did slightly lie, though, when they sort of made this big thing up about, actually, most of these special editions from the white range of 1988, about the colour-coded bumpers. BXs pretty much always came with colour-coded bumpers, so that doesn't really make any sense. Mud flaps, though, were an addition that you got from the Citroën accessory range. And then on the back, we've got performance figures, blah, 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 blah. But interestingly, I'll let you know this one. The AX GT and the BX both share the same engine, a 1360. But the GT, 85 horsepower, and the BX, only 72. So there we go. Yeah. Well, that is Citroen's Summer, just as the sun comes out. Oh, do you know, I couldn't have timed that any better. 1988 edition. Anyway, I better take this back because there's other journos from the Southern Group that really want this. Last time Kia sponsored us, they're very kind at doing that. I didn't get a chance to drive the Picanto because the Picanto just kept going out because we love small cars. Small cars, they are great. You don't need to drive one. Lovely. Anyway, see you later.